The age of artificial intelligence is not in the future. It's already here. Every week, AI learns something new, to write, to draw, to drive, to think. And while it's creating billions in opportunity, it's also reshaping the way we work. In this video, we will explore 10 jobs AI will likely replace by 2030 and 5 that it cannot. Because the future doesn't belong to machines, it belongs to the humans who know how to use them. Number 1. Data entry clerks. AI is exceptionally good at repetitive tasks. By 2030, almost all data entry tasks will be automated, faster, cheaper, and error-free. Number 2. Telemarketers. Voice AI now sounds almost human. Smart bots can hold conversations, read emotions, and personalize sales pitches. For telemarketing, that's game over. Number 3. Cashiers and retail clerks. Self-checkout systems already use AI vision to track items. Within 5 years, many physical checkout roles will simply vanish. Number 4. Customer support agents. AI chatbots are now multilingual, empathetic, and now is awake. By 2030, most customer service will be automated with fewer human interactions. Number 5. Paralegals and legal assistants. Document review, legal research, and contract drafting. All tasks AI does faster than junior lawyers. Humans will still handle judgment and negotiation, but the paperwork will be handled by machines and systems. Number 6. Accountants and bookkeepers. AI tools already reconcile transactions and flag financial irregularities immediately. Small firms may soon rely on software, not staff, to balance the books. Number 7. Factory workers. Robots powered by AI vision now adapt in real time. They don't need lunch breaks or supervision. Expect millions of manufacturing roles to change or disappear. Number 8. Graphic designers. Basic tasks. AI art generators can now create logos, posters, and mock-ups in just seconds. The creative touch still matters, but basic design work is being redefined. Number 9. Reporters and copywriters. News summaries, press release, even ad copy. AI can write it all. The best writers will survive by focusing on original thinking, not repetition. Number 10. Truck and taxi drivers. Self-driving technology still faces regulation, but is improving every year. Long-haul trucking is on track for mass automation before 2030. But there are great news. Certain jobs AI cannot replace. Number 1. Therapists and counselors. AI can mimic empathy, but not feel it. Healing requires human connection, not computation. Research reveals that complex mental health issues need empathy, care, and connection. Number 2. Teachers and educators. AI can deliver information, but not inspiration. Teachers establish connections and provide real-life experiences, but AI cannot mimic these interpersonal relations. The teachers who use AI, not fear it, will be the ones shaping the next generation. 3. Creative directors and innovators. AI can remix what exists, but it still struggles with truly new ideas. Human creativity remains the spark that machines cannot replicate. 4. Healthcare workers. Machines can analyze data, but they cannot replace trust. Human care, compassion, intuition, ethics remains irreplaceable. When you are sick, you want another person who can relate to your concerns from their own experiences. AI cannot offer this emotional support. 5. Leaders and strategists. The future needs people who understand both humans and machines. Leadership is not about calculations, it's about vision. The leader who masters AI will shape the future of our new world. The rise of AI does not end work, it changes it. Those who learn to think with machines will shape the next decade. This is AI made simple, helping you understand the future one idea at a time.